In any competition, you must have winners and losers. If you only expect to win, then there'll be no competitions. Although we did not win, but we achieved a lot. And competitions are always a learning process. We've learned, and also where we had shortfalls, we will go back to the drawing board and we will see how we can make good where the shortfalls were. But if you ask me the achievements were more than the losses. Yeah, and that is why you can see them smile.